4th year of Lakme, and Malaika and I have a very long relationship, so we'd love to hear about that.
यहाँ पर सब आप सभी यहाँ पे आ जाइए, यहाँ पे बाइक ले लें, आ जाइए आगे सब लोग। बस उधर मत अरे ऊपर मत ठीक है।
Yeah, good evening. First of all, an incredible, excellent connection.
Thank you.
This is something real surprise us, excellent. And I can easily see the kind of work which has gone to put together this kind of connection. And we are very happy to collaborate from Reliance with Namrata to put together this kind of connection. We have used Arilan fabric, different types, close to 50 plus varieties of the fabrics to put together this kind of connection. And just to mention here that these fabrics are sustainable in nature. They are produced out of post-consumer PET bottles. Reliance is committed to recycling. We recycle 2.5 billion bottles on an annual basis. We are growing. We will put together another capacity to go up to 5 billion bottle recycling on an annual basis. So lots of technology, lots of process re-engineering to put together this kind of very, very innovative, functional performance fabric in place to help this kind of connections to come in. This kind of work, I'm sure Namrata will inspire many others and will create a kind of ripple in the society and in the industry. That's what we need actually, because all these activities put together, I'm sure will be able to contribute to reduction in the landfill waste, cut down on the carbon emission, and this will make our planet cleaner and greener. So from Reliance side, we are committed. We will work together with the stakeholders to make sure we contribute and we effectively contribute meaningfully in the society to serve this purpose to make our planet cleaner and greener for the next generation to come. Thank you very much.
First of all, I want to thank the RISE team, Arilan team, JC, Mr. Sethi for giving me this opportunity. And this was not a collection for me, this was homecoming for me. I love athleisure, I live in athleisure, so thank you. And you know, the collection, as it's called, Athleisure Redefined, was about elevated activewear that goes from the gym to the lounge to your airport look. And the outfit that Malaika has is from their star fabric, green gold, I even know that, which is made from recycled PET bottles. That's the fabric, yes. That entire outfit that you have on is made from green gold, the star fabric, which is made from recycled PET bottles. So I've enjoyed working on this collection, and I want to thank Malaika. She's been my fitness role model for many, many, many years. So thank you. No one fitted this look better than you. And here, Kubra, who opened the show, is Sisterhood of Kilimanjaro. We've climbed Kilimanjaro, and that's why she opened this show, because she was the perfect person to open the show. So thank you, and
I think lots of firsts over here. First time I'm doing something with Namrata. First time I'm to be part of a collection backed completely by Reliance. So that's fantastic. The thought behind it is truly amazing. 25 years of Lakme, that's a big one. I've been part of Lakme through every single year, so I feel amazing to be back. First time I'm working with Koob, so that's also great.
I love that.
So yes, thank you so much, and I've had a fantastic show today. I think definitely one of my most favorite shows that I've done and I've walked. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for always showing a lot of love, and I shall see you soon. Have a great evening.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Malaika ma'am,
Sorry, Mr. Sethi, I love you. You know that. My true cheerleader.
Thank you so much for that. I mean, really, like, मेरी जान में जान आ गई when I was like walking for the second time and I could just hear Mr. Sethi go like, yes, Cobra, yes, and thank you so much for cheering so many wonderful designers, for giving us all a platform. Thank you so much, Alliance, for thinking so much ahead in terms of nature and sustainability. And oh my God, now that I know what I'm wearing, I feel like I'm a genie in a bottle or something. Like, this is so cool. It's my first time ever, as Mala said, like, there's so many firsts. It's my first time ever to walk, to open the show, and to feel so comfortable. I think the last few years we've been talking about how athleisure has become like the in-stay, feel-good fashion statement, and today your collection embodied all of that and more. And now I'm just thinking how I'm going to take these clothes, look this fashionable up in the mountains when we're like struggling.
No, we could do this every time we come out of yoga.
Yeah, and you know, it is not like new for like Mala and me to be like, oh nice, where's that one from? So thank you so much for setting the tone for so many years. Thank you for being my friend and my comrade doing yoga. Thank you for like directing so many of us towards fitness, and here we are celebrating athleisure at its best. So thank you everyone for coming. Thank you.
Thank you.
तू पूछा ही नहीं, तो आए बोल दिया तो पिघल गया, काम भूल गया।
Sir, this camera, please.
What we're expecting next time, our Elan will be more innovative,
Yes.
more than what they've done. I think the stilettos need to go and they need to do something about shoes as well. So I was speaking to many of them. They will definitely come up with a fiber for that.
Actually,
Can I have a mic?
Yes, yes, माइक, कौन सा माइक? माइक किधर है? इधर अरे कौन सा है?
Only because you can't go to Kilimanjaro.
In stilettos. You know we can't go to Kilimanjaro.
probably not sitting in some of our meetings in Reliance. So because we exactly are doing that, we have a product which goes as a shoe upper.
Fantastic.
It's made of the products that we have, and this exactly will happen in the next event.
But I really think this was a fantastic show.
फोटो।
Yay, everybody.
मलाइका मैम, मलाइका जी, फील्ड पे जनता वाइट। अरे रुको भाई, बोला था अभी क्या जनता वाइट या हुआ था जब हो रहा तभी तुम लोग नहीं पूछते। अरे कॉमन बाइट। चलो रोज रेडी। आपके लिए तो मैडम ये बात क्या है? मैम tell us something about the best part of Lakme fashion because it has just completed 25 years.
Well, it's amazing. I'm really happy to be part of it. 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week. I think I've been part of so many seasons, so it feels like home. And I'm very happy to have worked for Namrata Joshipur. I think it was a fantastic collection, very sustainable, and what Rilan has done with the fabric and everything in terms of athleisure, I think has been
मोस्टली हमने आपको ट्रेडिशनल में वॉक करते ज़्यादा देखा, लेकिन इस बार काफ़ी अलग था, वॉक काफ़ी अलग था, आउटफिट काफ़ी अलग था। इसके बारे में
जी, आई थिंक काफ़ी इंडियन अटायर में मैंने वॉक किया। आई थिंक काफ़ी वक्त के बाद मैं एक वेस्टर्न आउटफिट इस किस्म का मैंने पहना। सो यस, इट्स डिफरेंट एंड आई लाइक्ड इट। बहुत ही कमाल का शो था।
Malaika, your Instagram bio speaks about food, fashion and fitness. Which comes first in the order? Which F comes first and how do you rate it?
My 3 favorite Fs, so yeah, all of them.
What is most important for you out of this?
How can I live with any one of them, without any one of them? I need food, I need fitness, and I need fashion in my life at all times.
And what do you think about the growing industry when it comes to the athleisure?
I think it's a huge business. I'm somebody who truly stands for athleisure. I propagate it, I wear it, I am all for it. I'm really happy to be part of a brand like Reebok, which has over the years shown so much of faith in me, and I love the brand. So yes, I think athleisure is here to stay.
मैम, यू आर अ रोल मॉडल, यू आर अ फिटनेस आइकन। सो जो न्यू कमर्स है, जो रैम्प करना चाहते हैं, नर्वस फील करते हैं, उनके लिए कोई अगर आपने तरफ से मैसेज
नर्वस, मैं भी मुझे नर्वस
अभी भी?
होती है। हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स, वो नर्वसनेस कभी नहीं जाती।
Who is your role model?
Who's my role model? My mother. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.